Hello everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing Epson EcoTank ET-2870, an all-in-one wireless inkjet printer. I'm going to be showing you what comes in the box, giving you all the information you need to know about this printer, the specifications, so you can decide if this printer fits your need. EcoTank system uses refilled ink tank instead of replaceable cartridges. The included ink is rated for approximately 4,500 black pages and 7,500 color pages. How long that lasts will depend on what you print. Print performance: you can print 10 pages per minute for black and 5 pages per minute for color. ISO standard. This is print performance. Print resolution for this printer: resolution 5760 by 1440 dpi maximum. Paper capacity 100 sheets. This printer supports paper size A4, A5, A6, B5, B6, letter, legal, and various envelope sizes. Duplex printing is manual, so you can only print double-sided manually. No automatic double-sided printing. And the scanner for this printer is flat bed color scan with CSI technology. Scanner resolution 2400 by 2400 dpi. Scan speed 11 seconds for monochrome and 28 seconds for color. You can print, copy, scan with this printer. In terms of connectivity, you can connect it via Wi-Fi network, built-in USB connection, Wi-Fi direct, and is compatible with Apple AirPrint, Google Cloud Print, Epson iPrint app available. Physical dimension: the size 375mm wide, 347mm deep, and 179mm tall. This printer weight is 4.1 kg and is compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, and XP. It's also compatible with Mac OS 10.6.8 or later. This printer also got 3.7 centimeter LCD screen, 1 year manufacturer's warranty. It's compact multifunctional printer with Wi-Fi and LCD screen. So we're going to check it out and see what is inside. This is the information pack. The power cable. Ink bottles, 4 of those. So you have yellow, black, cyan, and magenta. See what it looks like. Very compact. This is the scanner, flat bed scanner. This is the ink tank system. You open it up, open the cap this way to the left side, and once you fill the ink tank, then you close the cap. And also the front ink tank, there's a white plastic so that you're able to see the ink tank when you are filling it up. And also the black is the first, followed by yellow. M is for magenta and C is for cyan. The printer is facing you. Cyan is the first on the right, followed by magenta, yellow, and BK. Black is the last on the left side. And this is the rear paper tray. So you can load various sizes of the paper, then adjust it with the blue guide. The power cable goes to this port. The USB cable goes on the side. It's a compact printer. So when you print out document, the paper you printed out will rest on top here. This is the LCD screen and front panel with the button. Let's see what it looks like. So if you want to close this printer, I need to go up and close it. I need to adjust. So take the power cable, connect it to this port, push it in. Then connect it to the socket. Switch this printer on and off from this button. So this is the unboxing and overview of this printer. Thank you very much indeed.